Hello and welcome to Daily News Analysis by Abhed Shiksha. Today is 14th of February 2023. Here is our list of news for today. PM congratulates newly elected President of Cyprus. Then Maternity Benefit Act 2017 being implemented. Then we have Varsities without NAAC accreditation. Then we have first woman to space in Saudi Arabia. And finally we have AI to not replace doctors in healthcare. So we start our news here. This is from PIB. From this news we get to know that Cyprus has got its new president whose name is H.E. Nikos Christodoulis. Here is the map of Cyprus for reference. And our Honorable PM Narendra Modi has congratulated the new elected President of Cyprus. Heading on, now we come to our next news. The next news is about Maternity Benefit Act 2017. So this is being implemented by the Ministry of Labour and Employment. With the implementation of this act, women workers will be provided paid maternity leave and creche facility by establishments. The maternity leave has been extended from 12 weeks to 26 weeks. Also, provision for mandatory creche facility in establishments having 50 or more employees and permitting women workers in the night shifts with adequate safety measures. Not only this, women also shall be entitled to be employed in all establishments for all types of works with their consent before 6 a.m. and beyond 7 p.m. And this is subjected to conditions relating to safety, holidays and working hours or any other conditions to be observed by the employer as may be prescribed by the appropriate government. So heading on, now we will know about certain varsities which are operating without NAAC accreditation. According to the report by the Education Ministry, it has been found that around 34,000 colleges are operating across the country without an NAAC accreditation. So, we here get to know that out of 1,113 universities and 43,796 colleges, only 419 universities and 9,062 colleges have been NAAC accredited. Now let's see what NAAC accreditation is. It is a measure to evaluate and guarantee a standard of education provided in higher institutions across the nation. It focuses on improving the quality parameter of education. Another thing we need to know is that the UGC has issued a decree stipulating that every university and faculty must get certification by the council called NAAC, which stands for National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Also, according to this news, we get to know that the new national education policy aims to attain the highest level of accreditation over the next 15 years. Now we come to our next news. It's about space. So, according to this news, we get to know that Saudi Arabia will be sending its first woman to space. So, the astronaut's name is Rayana Barnawi. She'll be accompanying her fellow Saudi male astronaut Ali Al-Karni on a mission to the International Space Station during the second quarter of 2023. Now we come to our final news for today's analysis. It's about healthcare. According to this news, we see that AI won't replace doctors. We know how much AI helps us. AI enhances the quality of clinical decision making, but as we know, codes cannot cure. So it won't replace doctors because human touch is needed for holistic patient care, one of the top officials of a leading healthcare group said today. So we get to know that although AI has equipped healthcare very strongly, yet human touch will always be required. So with this, we come to the end of our daily news analysis here. Hope this series is beneficial to you. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.